Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 2, PE and Health Aid, Week 3 and 4 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 3, Encouraging Open Communication. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, understanding communication through pictures. Instructions. Pictures. Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Understanding communication, importance, benefits and challenges. Definition of communication. Open communication. Benefits of open communication. Challenges in communication. Letter A. Fear of judgment. Letter B. Emotional reactions. Letter C. Poor listening. Letter D. Cultural differences. Letter E. Assumptions and misinterpretations. Letter F. Over-reliance on text. Letter G. Lack of confidence. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity 3, let us talk. Instructions. Complete the table. Synthesis, reflection questions. Subtopic 4. Fostering a culture of consent. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, T and consent. Instructions. Video number 1. Tea consent, clean.
Say, hey, would you like a cup of tea? And they go, oh my God, I would love a cup of tea. Thank you. Then you know they want a cup of tea. If you say, hey, would you like a cup of tea? And they're like, I'm not really sure. Then you could make them a cup of tea, or not, but be aware they might not.
Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Understanding consent, respect and boundaries. What is consent? Why is it important to ask for consent before showing affection? How can we build a community of consent? Number 1. Communicate openly. Number 2. Respect boundaries. Number 3. Educate and raise awareness. Number 4. Support each other. Number 5. Create safe spaces. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity 4. Here's my yes, respect my no. Instructions. Synthesis. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.